Before we get any further in the video, I want to let you all know that it is being sponsored by Emperor's Home, and this is a company that sells amazing bedding online as well as Amazon. It was founded by a Clement Davis. In the year of 2018, he found an old notebook while lodging at an Egyptian cotton plantation. And when he saw the designs in it for the bedding sets that were made for the British imperial family, he got inspired and wanted to modernize those type of designs, and he founded this company. Now they have lots of bright and vibrant things as far as variety of designs, and they also have more neutrals if that is something that you're into, and everything is made of 100% Egyptian cotton, so you know that it is long lasting but safe for everyday use. I am so honored to work with this company, and I was excited when they reached out to me, and I'm happy to show you this product. What I'm going to do first is throw it in the washing machine. So now that I have washed and dried the duvet cover as well as the pillow covers and the flat sheet, I'm going to make up the bed. I'm using a white fitted sheet because for the base pillows, I will be using white pillow cases. So if you could see there at the top that it is lined just like the design of the duvet cover, which I think was a really nice touch. And another thing that I like about this flat sheet is that it's so doggone big. I did order it in a queen, but it hangs below the box spring, which I absolutely love. I cannot stand when blankets just come up to the edge of the mattress. Yes, it looks okay and it looks, proper, but when two people are laying in bed and me and my husband both are cover hogs, I just like a little bit of extra length on the sides. So right now, as I put the pillows inside of the shams, I was just showing you all that there's an extra lining inside that is sewed in, which allows my pillows to fit in properly and to fit snugly without a whole lot of leftover fabric on the ends. So now I'm going to put the duvet cover over my comforter, and inside the duvet cover they do have the ties in the four corners to make it really simple and so that your comforter doesn't slip around as you do this. So you guys, you all have made it to the end of my video, and I really appreciate you all being here. I am absolutely in love with the bedding that I received from Emperor's Home. I believe the peacock print is so beautiful, it's unique, and it is feminine as well. If you are interested in any of the products of their company, I will have a link in the description box below. Please do not hesitate to check it out. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.